We're going to have some fun just now. We're going to do a quick 5-minute makeover so you can get that extra 5 minutes in your bed in the morning. Start the clock.
Now remember, it's still a tutorial, you've got to see what you're doing.
Yeah, okay. So, probably best using a powder for this, because using powder products will give you the fastest results here in the morning. But if you don't have powder, you can easily just use a fuller coverage foundation, because a fuller coverage foundation will help prevent you from having to use concealer.
We're all sure.
And I suppose this bit's the most important part, is getting your base as even as possible. If your skin can take it, if it's not too dry, choose a matte finish product, because then you can...
4 minutes!
Oh. If it's possible, you can use a matte finish foundation if your skin's not too dry, because that way you don't have to bother about powder. You can just skip the powder and go straight on to blush. Okay, so leave it over the eyes. Okay, so bronzer now. For the bronzer, you want to use a bronzer in a figure of 3, just like this, on either side of the face. I'm using a giant brush just to save time. Remember, this isn't a perfect makeup, it's just a quick makeup. Bronzer. Blusher, rather. Okay, a quick, again using a powder product, because it's quicker than cream.
3 minutes!
And use it, it's maybe perhaps a slightly darker than you would normally, because you haven't got time to build up the colour. Just get it fired on and blended in. That's it. Okay, eyebrows next. This is the fastest way to get a groomed look, is filling in your brows. Okay, nearly there, the brows. Right, just going to use 2 eyeshadows, a mid-tone one and a dark one, and we're not going to do any contouring.
2 minutes!
No time for contouring, we just have to just fire this on as quickly as we can. One shade all over. Use your fingers. Okay, and that's super. Liner. Now I think it's quicker to use a powder as a liner, because liquid liners you don't have time to do a neat steady line, so powder's the way to go. Okay, close your eyes, thank you.
One minute!
Sorry, I'm in front of you there. Okay. Okay, right. Look up for me a second.
45 seconds!
Right.
You're in front of the shot.
Sorry. Right, just finish off with some mascara. Blah, blah, blah. I'll do this with your eyes closed.
30 seconds!
Close for me. That's it. I'm going to use every single second.
15! And that's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0!
Hey!
Okay, and there you have your 5-minute makeup.